Hello everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha Koka, and in this today video I'll be showing you how to make a pepper lemon chicken with veggies. This particular recipe is easy, simple and very few ingredient recipe, ideal for people who work out, as this is a workout meal loaded with nutrition and protein goodness. So do check out this video, and if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this pepper lemon chicken with veggies. So for making a protein chicken with sorted vegetable, first I'm going to add little butter. Add half a spoon of oil to ensure it's not burning. Now add the chicken breast pieces. Add little salt, little pepper, add Italian spice powder, Get this cooked on 5 minutes each side on a medium flame. I'm going to add 2 potatoes to cook. Little salt. Now add your choice of vegetables, broccoli as well. Keep lid and let this cook for another 3 minutes. I'm going to add little butter on these veggies. To add little pinch of salt to the veggies and spice mix. Squeeze a little lemon. So here is chicken with veggies, a protein meal, ideal after workout. So do try this particular recipe, and if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.